Worked in the stock room a lot too.
Okay,
you know.
it's all right. You got to start somewhere.
Had to get that experience.
Yes, you did.
Yep.
And now look where she is. She is the matriarch, the mother behind the girls and the company called Breezy's, and this is their #1 best-selling t-shirt bra silhouette. It's on a Buy More and Save, because when you see the colors and like 3 of them are brand new, it will melt your heart and you will want more than one. It is incredibly comfortable. It's my favorite thing Breezy's does, and it's the best place to start not only with the line, but aside from all the different bra shapes and silhouettes and styles, this is full coverage, full support. This is the one that takes you everywhere for every reason.
This is the one. This is your summer go-to bra. And Sean, where do you get these colors? How about 3 new colors? Oh, the Mochaccino.
Amazing.
The new Emerald. And the new Plum. So all 3 of these are new. Then we've got your Seashell Pink,
yep,
Denim Blue, Strawberry. Kalina has named this Jenna Qua, meaning aqua. But Jenna looks great in it. And then we've got our Sun Beige, our white, and our black.
Love it. We have sold almost 100,000 of these bras since they debuted in March. That's March to April, April to May, May to June. That's like 3 months and then some. We've sold 100,000 of these. And as I said, we have Buy More and Save. We also have an Easy Pay. I know you're going to take us on a tour. I think a lot of people are wondering.
I do want to show this. This is so important because
describe what this is.
This graduates, Sean, as the cup size get bigger, so does the back wing. And many ladies want a bigger back wing if they're wearing a D and double D cup. So it will get larger, but I cannot say enough about this t-shirt bra. I love it because it does not add a cup size to me. It gives me the modesty factor that you're looking for in a t-shirt bra, but it doesn't add that extra size. Plus, what I really find that I love about this bra, the way that we have designed and constructed it, it pushes you to the center front. This underwire is so great, ladies. It will not pop out, but what is particular about this bra is that it pushes you to the center, almost has like side sculpting effects, and gives you a beautiful décolleté. Plus, you don't look 10 pounds heavier, 10 years older, going east-west.
I have to say, the shape of your bosom area is so incredibly beautiful and young and youthful in Breezy's t-shirt bras. They are wildly comfortable, such that you fall asleep wearing them, because no longer does it feel like a bra is harnessing you in. And I just keep going back to the colors in this bra, because please use Buy More and Save. That's the whole reason we launched it. You're going to see Jenna. Her figure is wicked. I mean, overall, generally speaking. But I mean, even if you don't feel like you're already starting with the palette that mirrors Jenna's, the shape of the bosom, Kathy, that you guys create in the teardrop cups is incredible.
Plus, it's full coverage because Jenna is fuller breasted. She needs that full coverage. Otherwise, you've got the double bubble trouble going on. You're beautifully rounded, uplifted, supported, perfectly shaped. And you know, a lot of the tops that are summertime are finer gauge. You know, you can see right through them basically. And you know what? You need that perfect t-shirt bra, that 365 days a year of comfort.
Agreed. And I'm going to have you take us through colors again. This one debuted back in March. 100,000 spoken for since it did. Easy Pay today. Have you ever tried a Breezy's bra? Because long before you go to the frilly and the fancy and the razor back and the front closure and the lace and the whatever, just go and start with a t-shirt silhouette, and this is their bestseller.
You will not find the colors like we bring you. The Mochaccino, the Emerald, the new Plum. So these 3 are new, ladies, so pick those up. And then we've got the Seashell Pink, the Denim Blue, Strawberry, Jenna Qua, meaning aqua. Then we've got the Sun Beige, the white, and the black.
Plus, I would like to say in the colors, I know Kalina talks about this too, if the strap peeks out, you kind of don't mind, because it's the most stunning color.
It is stunning. It truly is. And like I said, ladies, this does not add a cup size. I am so particular. You know what? I want to stay my size. I don't want to look large and in charge, because sometimes if your breasts are too large, you're just going to look kind of heavy. You know, you can be perfectly, you know, proportioned, but if you're too big on the top and you're adding that cup size, particularly for like a D and a double D figure, you want to stay your size.
So true. And one of the things I have to tell you that I think is so great, you know, here's the deal. normally you go to retail, Kath, you know, I think I'm going to sneeze any moment. Over 600 of
God
these
bless you
ordered,
in
almost
advance.
everybody doing thank you, buy more and save. You go to retail, it's nearly impossible to find colors like this, and oh, by the way, like double Ds.
Not only that, Sean, but the quality. We make sure that all of our edges are perfectly finished. We give you that beautiful underwire that will not pop out. All the details of Breezy's. We've given you that power mesh back wing under that gorgeous, lush microfiber. So all of the edges are finished. You're not going to feel scratchy stitching. You're just going to look beautifully rounded, beautifully shaped, uplifted and supported, not adding a cup size. But what it does, ladies, it takes your breast and makes it better. Let's say you've lost a lot of tissue in your breast over the years. This makes your breast look better.
Yep. And it's comfortable. I just keep coming back to comfort and also the way it beautifully shapes the breast. I'm such a huge fan of Breezy's t-shirt bras. They're awesome. You can see it on Jenna. I mean, it looks great.
Oh yeah.
And it looks great and it feels great and it shapes her wonderfully.
And it's full coverage, ladies, over the breast. We're not going to be bubbling up over the top. Jenna has a C cup on. You can see that the back is a little bit narrower, but as we go up into the D's and the double D's, they gradually get, you know, wider back there so that you're getting that full support for the uplift and support in the front.
So awesome. All right, my dear, colors one last time.
Yes. Mochaccino.
New.
Emerald.
New.
Plum.
New.
And then we've got your seashell pink, denim blue, your strawberry, aqua, sun beige, white, and black.
I mean, it's sick of me to say this. I'd pick up one of each.
It's absolutely an exquisite bra. Bypass in the front, that little charm that we've added to the Breezy's collection. It's beautiful. This is your quintessential summer bra.
And oh, by the way, want to